Hello guys, I'm going to do a quick BTC update video. They're going to talk about Bitcoin low time frame and talk a little bit about how time frames and pretty much what I'm looking for. On low time frames, we have pretty much hit the setup I talked about last video. This long setup shared in a private group beforehand, of course, but setup and stop loss, everything. Be given a fantastic move. If you want to join the group, we share these trades. Pretty much I share zones every day, but we don't get the extreme trades every day because these trades are limit trades. So, but when they hit, they tend to give amazing trades, and the risk to reward is good, with the win rate is extremely good. Like it's 80% plus, so it's extremely good. So if you want to join the group, link in the description for that. Other than that, it's nice to potentially close the trade fully here, at least take some profits and reduce the risk, because we never gamble on everything, but if you can reduce the risk and take some profits, that's never a bad idea. On low time frames, it's pretty key to hold above here, in my opinion. If you start trading below, we have these poor lows acting as magnets below. Then I'm watching for filling them all to liquidate all longs and take the naked wave up in the range value low with the golden pocket for a bigger bounce. And pretty much a long trade, I'm going to take 100%. If you see one trigger, I'm going to take the trade, just based on the bigger picture. On the short side, I'm more on the careful side. Not because it's not possible to get a short, but I'm not just super interested. Maybe looking for a short up here at 64, 100, naked monthly point of control, also with a single print. After that, pretty much this level I'm looking at to short if it's in triggers, but I didn't really like this move down, so I think it's possible to get a bigger recoil, and tomorrow may potentially give a bigger move either up or down. I'm not predicting anything, but it can for sure be volatile tomorrow and be very interesting for sure. I also see some pretty negative news in the Bitcoin sentiment and in the news based on big sales, some hacks, Bitcoin being hacked, and some wallets, of course, and Sailor gonna sell 5 billion and just a mess. So it's just noise. So please ignore noise and focus on the charts. It's all in the charts. On the bigger picture, we're pretty much between range point of control and range value high. So based on that, we are in the middle. Don't really chase anything. The best places are here and here, 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 and here. For scalps and day trades, like I always take, of course, you can for sure look at anything in between. But these are the local extremes. Look for a long down here. We look for a key short up here. We look for a potential flip, first and foremost short here, and potential a long if we get a bullish break and retest, but for now it's a key short zone. So just zooming out, we're in the middle of the range, just means be careful, be patient, and wait for your zones. Other than that, I expect some volatility tomorrow, be prepared for that. I'm going to share my thoughts in the group, of course, but it's going to be quiet on the trading side until Monday, that's just the rules. If you want to join, link in the description. If you need a place to trade, I have links to BloFin, BingX, WEEX, Liquid, everything in the description for the best bonuses. Check it out. See you in a new video tomorrow. Bye.